Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to make an instant refund request on 168 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yahu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to import from China to any part of the world. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to make an instant refund request on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's move. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. So just like so, having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to access your profile on 1688 shopping app. Having gotten to your 1688 shopping profile, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Just like so, the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and so it takes you to this particular page. This is the point whereby you need to make an instant refund request from any Chinese supplier. So this particular supplier here, I'm going to make an instant refund request from them. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So we need to make sure we translate this thing so we'll be able to understand where to click next. So for us to do a translation, I'm going to simply make a screenshot of this page. Just like so. Having made a screenshot, I'm going to exit from the 1688 shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then after open up my Chrome browser, next thing I want to do is to simply click on this camera icon. So after click on that, I will select the screenshot. Then I'll make sure I choose translate. Just like so. Then we have it right here. Now we have different options right here. The first one here is add purchase cart. The second one is apply for a refund. Then check logistics, find similarity. So what we need right here is apply for a refund, which is the number 2 on the list. What I'm going to do is to simply go back to my 1688 shopping app. Then I'm going to simply click on here again. Just like so. Then the next thing we want to do is to make sure we select on this. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here. So in a few seconds, the refund is going to be completely and your money will be refunded back successful into your Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to close this pump up. As you can see, a transaction notification from Alipay right here that I have received a sum of 9.9 yen. So I'm going to simply close this. By the time I refresh this page right here, and the items is going to be disappear. This is because the refund has been done successful. So I can simply click on here to go back. So getting to my profile, I can simply track the refund and then see if it's actually complete. So I'm going to simply click on here to track the refund. So just like so, we have the refund completely successful right here. Alternatively, I can exit from my 1688 shopping app right here and head over to my Alipay for a proper confirmation. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here, the notification bar. Just like so. Then we have a notification details right here. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like so. Now I have a refund notice of 9.90 yen. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make an instant refund request on 1688 shopping app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pindodo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.